Konnichiwa guys, my name is Rohit Shiv Prasad and I'm the founder of RSP in Japan. As you can see, I'm again here telling you the information all you need. Recently, we have started this batch for 5,000 rupees for teaching Japanese. And we get a lot of these questions. Why Japanese? Why should I learn Japanese? Why should I not learn German? Why should I not learn French, Spanish? Today's video is going to be about that. I will include all the details of why you should learn the language, especially Japanese. So today's video is not going to be the reasons that I have already given in some webinars or things like that. So watch the video till the end to get all the answers that you can. As I told you, जापानीज क्यों पढ़नी चाहिए, जर्मन क्यों नहीं पढ़े? I don't want to go to Japan, तो मैं जापानीज क्यों पढ़ूं? Don't you think these questions are a bit silly? Sorry, but it is. Let me tell you. First of all, many of you think that Japan is a technologically driven country, तो वहां पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ engineers का scope है. You are very right to do that. बट एक सिंपल गूगल सर्च तुम्हें BA, BCom, लाइफ साइंसेस, पॉलिटिकल साइंसेस, ये सब से रिलेटेड तुम्हें जॉब वैकेंसीज या स्कोप पता चल जाएगा. जस्ट वन गूगल सर्च. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, Japan's population is growing old, which means there is scope in each and every section because हर जगह पे young people are less, and if you want your employees to be young, everyone wants that, every company wants that. Definitely there is scope in every. It's not just technical, guys, not just technical. You have to stay updated with time, and that is the reason why you have to study the market itself. तुम लोग अगर ये सोच रहे हो कि आज जर्मन पढ़ लेंगे तो I'll be successful और आज फ्रेंच पढ़ लेंगे तो I'll be successful, हाँ हो सकता है, बट इट्स आउटडेटेड. हर लैंग्वेज का एक बूम आता है. एट प्रेजेंट मेनी जापानीज कंपनीज आर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड इन इंडिया. मेनी, तुम्हें पता भी नहीं होगा, बट बहुत सारी. एंड आई सिंपली वॉन्ट टू इम्प्लाई दैट आज के डेट में या फिर आने वाले टाइम में जापानीज लैंग्वेज बूम करने वाली है. फ्रेंच एंड जर्मन का बूम अपने आप आया था बिकॉज उन कंट्रीज में यही सेम प्रॉब्लम आई थी. द पॉपुलेशन वाज ग्रोइंग ओल्ड एंड फॉर दैट रीजन दे वर एंटरटेनिंग फॉरेनर्स. बाहर से यंग लोग आ रहे थे उस कंट्रीज में. एट प्रेजेंट यही सेम चीज हो रही है एंड यू आर अ बिट लेट. अभी रूल्स स्ट्रिक्ट हुए हैं और आगे जाके और स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाएंगे. एंड देन व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि चलो अब जापानीज पढ़ते हैं, उस दिन से तुम्हें 1 साल या 1.5 साल लग जाएगा एंड इवेंचुअली यू आर गोना लर्न समथिंग न्यू. सो व्हाई नॉट जस्ट लर्न इट नाउ? व्हाई डू यू हैव टू टेक सच अ टफ डिसीजन? ऑल्सो वी आर जस्ट टीचिंग इन 5,000 rupees. लाइक यू आर नॉट गोना फाइंड एनी बेटर क्लासेस इन सच लेस कॉस्ट. देन it doesn't just end there. The concentration of Japanese companies in India is way too high. Even plants for Toyota, Nissan, maybe Horiba, then medical companies and many companies. Google पे एक search तुम्हें सारी companies के नाम बताएंगे. And many companies are shifting from China to India. 2 have already done that. Some are signing to do that. As I told you, there are many companies in India itself. And that means that you're gonna have equal or more opportunities if you know Japanese language. And this is how. Companies like TCS or HCL, Amazon, these companies are teaching their employees Japanese. And the very sole purpose of that is because they have Japanese clients. Now, you have to understand that if you knew Japanese, they would prefer you. Because they wouldn't have to hire a new interpreter or new translator. And that would eventually add up to your benefit, even by staying in India. Not only that, you have many opportunities. It is also a hard skill. So learning a new language definitely adds to your resume. I will repeat this. you don't have to have BTech or you don't have to have a technical background to come to Japan. You can come with BA or anything like that. Also, let me talk more about it. Think about this. If you already know Japanese and you get recruited by a Japanese company which is located in India, let's just say you have a poor financial background and you're not able to come to Japan or you're not able to make it to Japan because of your financial background. But you know Japan, you don't want it to go to waste. So you work in a company or get hired by a Japanese company located or situated in India. There are many, just Google it, you'll get them. Those companies, once you get hired, you can just tell them that you want to go to Japan and you know Japanese. There are many people who have come to Japan through their companies, and Japanese companies are doing that. So if your dream is to go to Japan, you can still get it. And there are many ways. So according to me, I would suggest that you learn Japanese. And yes, we are teaching Japanese in just 5,000 rupees. I know it sounds like advertisement, but I'm seriously just telling you, I seriously want to convey that this course is the cheapest in India if you look at a point of view where a teacher who has N2, who is in Japan, will be teaching you. So yes, it's your choice. You want to learn your languages, other languages, of course. But at present, there might be more opportunities when you compare it to other languages. So I hope I answered your questions, and I hope it helps you to make a decision. And if you choose to learn Japanese with us, the classes will start in August, probably the second week or third week. So you can use the link in the description below and apply. Thank you for watching the video, guys.